acetaminophen, which is also known as paracetamol, one of the most widely used drugs in the world, and comes under many forms and dosages from many brands with many names like Midinol and Panadol and Tylenol and Crocin and Paracept and Dolo 650, and all of these are different names for the same drug, which is also known as paracetamol, which can be utilized in many therapeutic uses and can be used as antipyretic drug, a drug that is used to reduce the highly elevated body temperature, and can be also used as an anti-inflammatory drug to reduce and to treat inflammations, and can be also used as an analgesic or a painkiller to reduce pain. And the ability to use this drug in this wide variety and to treat many cases made this drug one of the most widely used drugs in the world. And because the minimal side effect that comes with the proper dosage use of this drug has increased the usage of this drug. And all of that led to consider this drug as an over-the-counter drug. And what does that mean? I'm glad you asked. Over-the-counter drugs means that anybody can go directly to the pharmacy and get those medicine without a need to consult a doctor or without a need for a proper written prescription. And that factor helped in increasing the usage of the paracetamol even more. And many studies has been done to check the effectiveness and the safety of this drug. And when a study being conducted in USA to check the number of people that are using this drug, it turned out to be about 36% of the population in the United States has been using this drug in a period of 1 month, and 1 month only, which means around 100 million people had been using this drug in a period of 1 month only in the USA. And World Health Organization and the FDA has declared that the usage of 4,000 mgs of paracetamol is considered to be safe. It's considered to be safe for normal and healthy people. However, people with other comorbidities like high blood pressure or diabetes, or people who consume alcohol or smokers, they have to consider taking less than 2,000 mgs of paracetamol daily. And of course, those who has chronic disease and those who are on many medications, they all have to take less than 2,000 mgs of this drug. And of course, people who has any problem or any issue in their liver, they have to take lesser dosage from this drug as well. And as we all know that liver can operate normally without showing any symptoms, even if large portion of liver has been damaged or stopped working properly, and even if around 70% of the liver has been damaged due to any disease, can be sometimes working without showing any symptoms of sickness. And the healthy 30% that is left from the liver can help us maintaining our life normally without showing any symptoms. But in those particular conditions, the usage of high amount and high dosage of paracetamol may lead to serious damage to the liver. And when this helpful drug is being used excessively, the overdosage of this drug could lead to liver damage. And one of the additional reasons that we are seeing a lot of cases of overdosage of paracetamol in these days specifically, because the amount of stress and the amount of worry people have when they notice a slightly increase in their body temperature. A slight increase in body temperature, which used to be considered as normal back then, but nowadays it makes people worry and anxious about their health. And once they experience increase in their body temperature, they tend to self-medicate and overuse of this particular drug, which then puts the liver under huge stress. And by repeating this mistake again and again, this could lead to liver damage and a liver failure. So what are we supposed to do to take good care of ourselves and to take good care of our liver? I'm glad you asked. For those who are healthy, they should not exceed the amount of 4,000 mgs of paracetamol used within 24 hours. And for those with other medical conditions like overweight, diabetes, high blood pressure, smokers and consumers of alcohol, they have to take less than 2000 milligrams of paracetamol daily. And of course, never hesitate to ask your pharmacist while buying those drugs about the dosage and the amount of milligrams of paracetamol that are there in each tablet. And after knowing that, you can do the calculation yourself, because some tablets has 250 mgs of paracetamol and other have 500, and other common pills has 650, and some of them high up to 1000 mgs of paracetamol. And after knowing that, you can do the calculation yourself, keeping in mind that you should not exceed 2000 milligrams of paracetamol each day. And with that being said, I wish you all the best, take good care of yourself, and hope to see you next time.